Hello, the people of YouTube. Anywho, it's been like a year, and so today in this YouTube video, we are gonna make Korean corn dogs. So we're just gonna try it out, try it, see what happens, and the gist. So yeah, here's the clip with Jasmine now.
I'd like to show you my setup. So here's the Shin Ramen. Here's portable electric cast iron cooktop. Here's my chem book and my AP book. Hi guys. So here's my kitchen. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna need all-purpose flour, yeast, water, and sugar. Okay, so we have to mix all the ingredients. We have to mix them all. And then we have to put it in the fridge. And yeah. Alexa, 440 grams converted to ounces.
Intellectual.
So it is 2 cups. I was right. Why is my internet wrong? As you can see, it's stirring. Wow. Should I have a montage? Okay guys, so basically right now, I have to dump this into there and wait for an hour.
Oh wow, Jasmine is actually mature. Oh, never mind, there she goes.
Yeah, okay guys, so basically that's it. Yeah, now we're gonna wait for an hour and follow me into my other Google meeting today and working out. Before we start, I found this while I was doing my band homework. So watch out guys, watch out. So basically, it's Ponyo's theme song and it's by this person. Y'all, it's, watch, just listen. There's no one here because it's 10:53. There's no one. No one. No one. So now we take the mozzarella, slimy, okay, and we poke it through. Ew, it's so slimy. Should I just use chopsticks?
Yes. Look at that.
Here's the panko, guys. This is supposed to house, like it's supposed to wrap like that. Like, No. Yeah. It's supposed to wrap. Oh, it's a big, that's fun.
This is when Jasmine knew. She messed up.
Now that's the smile that, the snack that smiles back. And it's wow. Hear the sizzle? Guys, so this is Jocelyn trying to make it, but complete failure. That's her first attempt. Good looking shirt, guys. Wow, golden brown. Am I right?
Hot dog. We messed up part 500.
Mom's coming out. How does it look? How is it? Try it. Ah! Wow! How was it? How was it? Okay, guys. My turd. Okay. Oh, look at us, Steve. Come closer.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Who is she? Who is she? Who let her do this?
Here's my cookie.
When she knew the cookie was better than the actual meal.
Is it good?
Oh! It's hot but good. Justin, try the cookie. As you can see, I'm a horrible chef. So basically, that was just a messed up thing. So, me made spicy Korean noodles. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and then do some homework. So yeah, be right back, guys. Because I cut it off, I said we were gonna start having more content on this YouTube channel, and we're also gonna bake soon. Yay! It's gonna happen soon though. We're gonna make something good that actually works. Okay, yo. So bye. Peace out. Oh.